Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today I'm going to open up my Colourpop grab bag. This was on sale for $25. I don't know what the value is supposed to be, but I'll add it up and put it on the screen. It sold out fairly quickly, not as quickly as the Beautylish Lucky bag. And I expect there's going to be a mascara in here. They launched the mascara shortly after this launched. So I'm opening. Here's inside. Yep, and this is the mascara, so I got them. I think everyone's getting the mascara in black. Really curious to try this. I will not try it today. I already have mascara on, but I'll put it in my next. I'm doing a bi-weekly makeup bag and I'll put it in my next one. This is enormous, and wow, the wand's enormous too. And it also comes in colors. I'm glad that I got black. I would try a color, but I'm not crazy about mascara, colored mascara. Okay, that was the first thing, just digging into the bag. Super Shock Cheek and Pinch Me. This looks like new packaging. I don't have a lot of the Super Shock Cheek colors. This is pretty. Ooh, wow. It's almost a duochrome. That's intense. I don't know if I'd wear that on my cheeks, but I would wear it on my eyes. It's pretty. Next is an ultra blotted lip. I haven't used the ultra blotted lips before. This is in a color called Doozy. This is pretty. This is a pink. I'm wearing more pinks now, kind of alternating between reds and pinks. This might be a little warm for me, but I'm curious to try it. This is an ultra glossy. I don't have very many of these. Ultra glossy lip in, I'm gonna have to look this up. It looks like it says Champagne Man, but it can't possibly say Champagne Man, can it? So it's sparkly. Definitely give this a try. This is nice because I'm getting colors that I don't normally use. I definitely would use that kind of light pink, but it may be a little bit warm, so it's nice to be able to have colors that I wouldn't normally be using. Lippie stick, I have a lot of Lippie sticks. I think I do have Ziggy. I feel like this is a color that I like. Yes, this is a good color. And actually my Ziggy's probably old, so that's a good color. Excellent. It's definitely over $25. There's a lot more in here. This is a pressed powder in Snake Eyes. This is a beautiful color. I already have it. I'm squirreling away things for a giveaway. I'm gonna do a giveaway when I hit 500. I'm still a ways away from that, but I am squirreling things away and that will go in that. Ooh, this also maybe will go in there. This is a Super Shock Shadow in Party of 5, which I also already have. It's a good color. Ooh, this one too. Okay, so 3 things that I'm gonna put in that giveaway that's gonna happen someday. This is in Sequin. It's a good color. I don't have a lot of these. This is a Luxe lipstick. I think the only ones that I have are the Disney Princess ones. This is in Solo. I can't tell if that's going to be a red or a pink. Ooh, that's a pretty color. That's a really pretty color. Kind of reminds me of Revlon Cherries in the Snow a little bit. I like that a lot. Wow, okay, that's awesome. Is there more? There's one more. Oh no, just a card. It's a card that I think explains about the mascara, black on black. So this is what I got in my Colourpop surprise bag, gift bag thing. Thank you so much for watching. If you did this, let me know what you got. And I really appreciate your time. A lot to do in the world, a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again super soon. Bye.